Want to make money online using AI? Let me show you how I recreated a best-selling Easter clip art bundle and how you can do it too. To do this, I use two AI tools, ChatGPT and Midjourney. ChatGPT is a powerful AI that helps generate ideas, text, and even image prompts. Midjourney is an AI art generator that turns those prompts into stunning visuals. Now, let me walk you through the process. I started by researching what's already selling. I found a top selling Easter clip art bundle and took inspiration from its style and theme: pastel colors, cute bunnies, and decorative eggs. Next, I used ChatGPT to generate detailed prompts for Midjourney. Instead of just saying Easter bunny, I got specific. Cute watercolor Easter bunny holding a pastel egg, soft colors, hand painted look. The more detailed, the better. Then I plugged those prompts into Midjourney, and in seconds, it created beautiful, high quality images. After refining a few designs, I had my own unique Easter clip art bundle ready to sell. From there, I packaged the images into a digital bundle and listed them on Etsy and other marketplaces. Since digital products can sell over and over again, this becomes a great passive income stream. And that's it. With AI, you don't need to be an artist to create and sell amazing designs. Try this for yourself and start making money online today.